What's going on, everyone? Derrikmonster back in with a video, and today I'm going to Subway. So today I'm going back to Subway to try their hot honey chicken sandwich and their Doritos Footlong chicken nachos, since I said I was going to try them. So yeah, I'm going to be trying those two things today, but I'm going to head to Subway and I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I made it to the Subway. I'm gonna head inside and get my food. Okay guys, I got my food right here. I got the hot honey chicken sandwich, 6-inch on Italian bread, toasted, and on it has rotisserie-style chicken, 2 times Monterey cheddar, lettuce, tomatoes, red onions, hot honey, creamy sriracha, and sub crunch. And then I also got the Doritos Footlong chicken nachos, and on it has Doritos nacho cheese as the base, rotisserie-style chicken, Monterey cheddar, tomatoes, red onions, jalapenos, cheddar cheese sauce, and Baja chipotle sauce. But yeah, I'm excited to try these. So yeah, I'm gonna head home. I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay guys, I'm back from Subway. I have my food right here. I also have paper towels and water from home. I'm excited to finally get into these, you know, because I did say I was gonna go back and try them, but I got sick, so I wasn't able to try them, but now I am. But yeah, let's open these and we'll get a close-up of them. Let's open the sandwich first, the hot honey chicken sandwich. Man, they really put this on tight. Ugh, this sticker. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, smells good. There it is. Ooh, and you can see some hot honey on the back of it. Okay, and then let's open the Doritos Footlong nachos. Ooh, man, they loaded it up. It looks like they loaded it up more than last time when I had the steak ones. Yeah, there it is. I'll get a close-up as I said. But yeah, I'm excited to try these, but before we get into trying them, let's get a close-up of them. Okay guys, here's the food. Over here we have the hot honey chicken sandwich. On it has rotisserie-style chicken, 2 times Monterey cheddar, lettuce, tomatoes, red onions, hot honey, creamy sriracha, and sub crunch. And then over here we have the Doritos Footlong chicken nachos with Doritos nacho cheese as the base, and on it has rotisserie-style chicken, Monterey cheddar, tomatoes, red onions, jalapenos, cheddar cheese sauce, and Baja chipotle sauce. But yeah, I'm excited to try these, so yeah, let's get into trying them. Okay guys, let's get into trying these. Let's try the sandwich first. Looks good, but yeah, let's get it. The bread was a little hard to get through. I think it's like, it's not stale. I just think they toasted it too much. It's really flaky as well. Which I've said in the past I'm not a big fan of. It's not bad though. My fingers are a little bit sticky because of the hot honey. It's not bad. It has a decent heat level to it. Ooh, that honey definitely gives it heat. And then some sweetness as well. And the sub crunch just gives it a little more crunch, you know? I'm not tasting a lot of the sriracha in there, but still good. I am getting heat from the honey. Mostly taste the honey though. That is good. Ooh. Okay, sorry about the cut there, guys. I got interrupted. But this sandwich, it's basically just like a chicken sandwich. It's just got that hot honey, which gives it a little spice and a little sweetness. Other than that, it's basically just a chicken sandwich. And my hands are sticky, and I don't like it when they're that sticky. But ooh, my nose is kind of running a little too from the spice. But these are gonna be spicier, I can already tell that. But yeah, let's see if I can get, I'm trying to get one that has everything on it. We'll just kind of scoop a little bit, get some of that tomato, get a jalapeno. That sauce. But yeah, let's try it. Not much different from the steak ones. Let's see if we can get that whole thing right there. These are messy though. Man, let's see if I can stick all this in my mouth. Sometimes you just gotta get messy. These are not bad though. They're a lot like the steak ones I have, just with chicken. Which I think they have the same ingredients, just instead of steak it has chicken. I will say, sometimes these are kind of messy. Sometimes it's hard to pick up the Dorito with the toppings and stuff on it, and sometimes the Dorito breaks. So it is very messy, but if you don't mind getting messy, it's a pretty good snack. And I love nachos, so I'm okay with it. I really do think the jalapenos pull it together though. If I had to choose the chicken or the steak footlong nachos, I think I would choose the steak. There's not that much of a difference. Oh, the only difference is the meat choice, you know? So there's not that much of a difference in the toppings and stuff. For the sandwich though, I think I like the chicken one more than the pepperoni one, you know? Man, whew. These jalapenos are, I can feel it in my stomach, in my mouth. It's hot. But yeah, my hands are all sticky and messy. Anyway, the hot honey chicken sandwich and Doritos Footlong chicken nachos. They're both good. You know, the steak and the pepperoni one, the steak footlong nachos and the pepperoni hot honey sandwich, those were just as good. I prefer the hot honey chicken sandwich over the pepperoni one. That's just me. But I think I prefer the steak one over the chicken nachos. But they're still good. Still good. The nachos are still good. It does require you to get a little bit messy, but you know what? I'm okay with that. So I'm okay with it. Might be easier with a fork, but they don't give you a fork, so you know. And then you got like all the toppings that come off. But yeah, these are pretty good. Definitely recommend you guys check them out. I don't know how long they're gonna be on the menu for, but I'm glad that I was able to try these, you know, because I did say I was gonna try them and then I got sick and that kind of delayed videos for a while. But yeah, these are pretty good. I would definitely recommend you guys check them out if you haven't already, because they're brand new. But yeah, check them out if you haven't already. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay safe. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.